Namaste children, I hope you all are fine. And now we are going to see 12th sum from exercise 5.1 from the lesson Lines and Angles. The question is, find the values of the angles x, y and z in each of the following. Here the diagram is given, here the two lines are intersecting. The two lines are intersecting means we can say that vertically opposite angles are equal. Here the vertically opposite angles are 55 degree and x, similarly y and z. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal if two lines are intersecting. So I can say x is equal to 55 degree because here we have to find all three unknown values x, y and z. Here x value directly I can say that is 55 degree. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So that here I have written x is equal to 55 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we have to find y and z. If you want to find y and z, first either we have to find y or we have to find z. Then after finding any one of the value, we can say the other unknown value. Okay. So here 55 degree and y both are adjacent angles. Both are adjacent angles. Some of the adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree. This property also already we have learned. So I am going to use that property. By using that property, I can find first y value. So I am going to add 55 with y. Then I am going to equate with 180. Afterwards, I am going to find the value of y. Either you can use that one for y or you can use that one for what? Z. If you find first y, then we can find z. If you find z first, then you can find what? Y. Both are equal only. So any one of the value first we can find. Now 55 plus y is equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair or sum of the adjacent angles on a straight line is sum of the adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So because of this property, I have written 55 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now we can find what? Value of y. To find this value of y, we have to bring this 55 in the right side. So 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55 is nothing but here 10 minus 5, 5. Then 7 minus 5, 2. 125. Therefore, the value of y is 125. Y value 125 means z also 125 only. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So I can say angle z also what? 125 degree. So y is equal to 125 degree. Therefore, z also 125 degree. Since angle y is equal to angle z. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Because of this reason, I have written z equal to 125 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So y value 125 degree, z value 125 degree and x value what we found? X is equal to 55 degree. I hope you understood this. One more sum we will see from the same exercise. This is the second subdivision from 12th main division. Find the value of x, y and z. Here the diagram is given. Here also three unknowns are there. And the diagram is, from the diagram we have to find all three unknown values. Here observe this. Here these three angles are adjacent angles. Normally we have seen the property sum of the adjacent angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So I am going to use that property to find first value of x. Here the three adjacent angles are 40, x and 25. So I have added all three angles and I have equated with 180. Because of this property I have written like this. Now we can add 40 with 25. So if we add 40 with 25 we will get 65. So 65 plus x is equal to 180. Now to find x, we have to bring this plus 65 in the right side. So it will become as minus 65. If we subtract 65 from 180, what we will get? 10 minus 5, 5 and 7 minus 6, 1. So 115 degree. So x is equal to 115 degree. 115 degree. Now we have got x value and we have to find another two values y and z. Here y and z also what? Adjacent angles. Here we can find first angle z. Here these two lines are intersecting lines and vertically opposite angles are equal. Here these two angles are vertically. So x value 115 degree and here we can find y value. To find y value, first we can find z. Z value is 40 degree. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So I can write here z equal to 40 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. So z is equal to 40 degree because of this reason. And now we can find y value. Why? Because these two angles are adjacent angle. The same property we can use. Sum of the adjacent angle on a straight line is 180 degree. By using that property, I can find y value. So y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Since linear pair, or you can say what? Sum of the adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Y value unknown, z 40 degree. Now we can find y. 180 minus 40. So y is equal to 140 degree. Now we found all three unknown angles value. Y value 140 degree, z value 40 degree, x value 115 degree. With the same model, I will give you worksheet. Complete the worksheet.